In this video, I will show you how to solve multi-step equations. I have 3 examples here as well as a word problem. In the first example that I have on the left side, what I'm going to do to start solving is distribute this 5 on the outside. So I'm going to take this 5 and multiply by 4x and the number 2. And I will have 20x plus 10 is equal to 50. My next step would be to isolate the variable term, this 20x, and I will do that by using an inverse operation with this positive 10. So I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides. Now when I simplify, I will have 20x is equal to 40. My last step would be to divide by the coefficient of 20 in front of the x. And when I divide both sides by 20, I will get a solution of 2. In this example, I will follow a similar method. I will start by distributing a 4, but this time it's going to be a negative. So negative 4 times 2x would be negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 6 would be positive 24, and that is equal to 64. Now I'm going to isolate my x term by getting rid of the constant next to it, and I'm going to do that by using an inverse operation, so the opposite of addition. After I subtract the 24, I will be left with negative 8x is equal to 40. Now that I have my x term isolated, I will solve for x by dividing by the coefficient of negative 8. After I divide on my calculator, 40 divided by negative 8, I will get a solution of negative 5. In this example, on the right side, I need to distribute this subtract sign to both the 4x term and the 7. Now my expression would read 2x minus 4x minus 7 for the left side of my equal sign. I'm going to make that an equation by setting it equal to 17 that I was given here. I notice that I have 2 terms that have the same letter. And so what I'm going to do is combine those like terms by combining the coefficients in front of those letters. 2 minus 4x would be negative 2x minus 7 is equal to 17. I'm going to use an inverse operation on this negative 7 so that I can isolate my x term. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. When I add 7, my equation will simplify to negative 2x equal to 24. And now if I divide by the coefficient of negative 2, my answer will be that x is equal to negative 12. In this word problem, I will show you how to set up the equation and then solve. This problem says that Noah and Kate are shopping for new guitar strings in a music store. Noah buys 2 packs of strings. So I'm going to highlight that important information. And Kate, she is going to buy 2 packs of strings and a book. The book is cost $16. So that's also important. The total cost of their bill is $72. How much is 1 pack of strings? So what I'm going to do is build an equation using that information. The question I'm asked to solve is how much is 1 pack of strings? So x will represent the price of 1 pack of strings. Now I'm going to start my equation. I know the total cost of the bill was $72. And I also know that there were items that were purchased to make that $72. I know that Noah purchased 2 packs of strings. 2 packs of strings. X is representing 1 pack, so 2 times the price of a pack. So that's for Noah. Kate also buys 2 packs of strings. And Kate purchased the music book, which cost $16. These items made the total cost of $72. Now what I'm going to do is solve for the price of 1 pack of strings. I'm going to combine my like terms by adding the coefficients together. So I will have 4x plus 16 is equal to 72. Now to solve for the variable x, what I need to do is isolate this term, which means I need to get rid of this 16. And I will do that by an inverse operation of subtraction. $72 minus the price of the book would mean that the strings that Noah bought and the strings that Kate bought, those packs have a total of $56. Now, if I just divide by how many packs they bought, divide by 4, I get the price of 1 pack of strings. So $14 is the cost of 1 pack of strings.